traders, and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, January 5th, 2026. Let's take a look what do we have in the economic calendar for today. Not very busy with data release. Asian session, we got CAC services PMI data from China in line with the expectations, 52 points. CPI in Turkey up from 0.87 to 0.89, and the yearly CPI up to over 30%. Retail sales in Switzerland up from 2.2% to 2.3%. We are still waiting for the manufacturing PMI data from Switzerland, and that's about the data release during the London session. During the US session, we got the major data release in form of the ISM manufacturing PMI data, including the ISM manufacturing prices scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. 1 hour later, we got Atlanta Fed GDP now at 5 o'clock, and then we got that's about it. So not really busy with data release US session as well. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts. We start with euro dollar. So the euro dollar for our time frame chart finally breaks below the trend line support. We made a local low at the level of 1.1673 as we move back below the level of 50, and now even towards the extremely oversold market conditions. Please notice that the 100 periods moving average had been violated as well. We are going to move this line here a little bit higher towards the level of 1.1766 and mark it as the technical resistance, and all of these levels like 1.1707 will act as the resistance as well. So we basically broke below these lows here, the lows from December 17th and December 19th that were providing quite good technical support. So right now euro dollar is in decline. Next targets are on the chart. However, some pullbacks are expected because we hit 30, the level of 30. Basically we hit the extremely oversold market conditions. This correction is the biggest correction since the low of 1.1492 has been established. So it's bigger than this correction, is bigger than this correction, so it's definitely not a part of this upswing. It is a different cycle. It doesn't actually look like it is completed right now, so we need to wait a little bit longer to confirm it. Cable. Almost the same situation that we got on the euro dollar. We went lower, down towards the 100 periods moving average. Right now it's 1.3426. Local low was made a little bit lower, 3401. As you can see, we are out of the channel. The channel has been tested, the lower channel line has been tested, so all of these levels here will now act as the technical resistance. So this one will be technical resistance as well, and this one 1.3457 will be technical resistance as well. So right now correction continues. There is still some place to the downside before the extremely oversold market conditions will be hit, so the outlook for the cable remains bearish. US dollar versus the Japanese yen, still inside of the local range, as we've seen this range since the end of the November, all of the December. And as you can see right now, only the minor local range had been violated, so the market went above 156.75, made a local swing high at 157.31, but this is local high, basically it's not a swing high. Swing high is here and here, so made a local high. Now it is moving back down towards this level here, 156.74. Might test this level because right now, well, it will act as a technical support, so we can change the color to green. However, it looks like the market really wants to come back towards the 100 periods moving average, which is located at 156.14. Momentum was strong, but recently it made a sharp reverse, a sharp decline towards the level of 52. So right now, situation is unclear. Choppy trading conditions on US dollar versus the Japanese yen. We are waiting for a decisive breakout out of this range for good. Gold market, after the correction, pretty big correction from the all-time high, the gold broke above the local highs established in December, $4,400. Right now, local high is 4,429, and we are approaching the 4,500 mark. Market conditions are improving from the extremely oversold, and now 56 points on the RSI, which means that the current situation on the RSI is quite good. Momentum is positive. It's not that strong, however, it is still improving. So the outlook remains rather bullish, especially after the breakout above those two levels, and 4,400. That was the major local swing high. SP 500 is right now trading around the 6,855, which is the 100 piece moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart. We are quite far away from the level of 6,937, so we will mark it as the technical resistance. Nevertheless, this situation here is very similar to the previous situations we got in the December. We got some pre-Christmas rally, then we got this decline on the December 18th during the this is the pre-Christmas rally exactly here towards the December 26th. Towards the New Year's Eve we have the decline. We went as low as 6,818. Now the market is improving right now a little bit. Nevertheless, they need to break above 6,891 in order to eye the technical resistance, recent technical resistance at 6,941. This is exactly this level. So it's looking good. However, whether the bulls will be strong enough to break above this level is questionable. So we will see later on. And the Bitcoin is finally above the local technical resistance level. 90,000 had been violated. We are approaching the next target for the bulls. So this zone here will act as a technical support for the bulls. Extremely about market conditions on a 4-hour time frame chart. Nevertheless, the next target is located at around the level of $95,000. Exactly, it's 94,595. So any spike up towards this level might produce very nice rejection candle. Nevertheless, we still are quite positive for the Bitcoin here, because we got a very long period of the accumulation. As per 4-hour time frame chart, we hold above the 100 periods moving average. Momentum is steadily growing towards the extremely overbought conditions, and on a daily time frame chart you can see clearly that the breakout out of this minor trading range might be productive for the bulls, and especially the test of the 4,590 is really welcome. There is still room to the upside here on the daily time frame chart. Very sharp increase in the momentum here on the Bitcoin. Breakout above the $95,000 basically is the key movement towards the test of the 100 periods moving average, which is 99,751. So please keep an eye on the Bitcoin, keep an eye on the current situation, as the market might be seeking the test of the $95,000 level, and then potential breakout if the rejection will be too shallow. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.